with Right Line Trading, and this is our evening newsletter. Starting with this disclaimer that all signals and trading opportunities that we provide are for demonstration and educational purposes only. Participating in trading in the markets involves substantial risk, and a person can lose a substantial amount of money. Always carefully consider your position prior to trading and never risk more than you can afford to lose. Now, I wanted to do a recap of two of my recent stock recommendations, just to take a look at how I did. Now, the first one I recommended on Friday, and that was Cheniere Energy. I said that there was a real problem with crude oil supplies, and that traders were going to turn to natural gas, and LNG, or liquid natural gas, was Cheniere's bread and butter. Today, in a horrific down market, Cheniere went up $4.42, and it made a new 52-week high. I also made a call to short CrowdStrike. I said that it was an overvalued tech stock, and that we're going to be riding it down. And CrowdStrike certainly has not let us down. It is simply crashing 289 to 239. That's a really nice move down. $40 down. We're still in the trade, and I'm still looking for further movement to the downside. Actually, what I'd like to see is a move down to 220 or 225 at best. So, or at worst. So between 220 and 225 is my target. We're already up an enormous amount on CrowdStrike. Now, I also called a short on Twitter. As you can see, these are the lines I drew at the time that I made that call and sent out that video. You can see this double top and the perfect short setup. We have really made nice money on our short on Twitter. And I believe there's a lot more downside to Twitter. I'm looking for another $2 to $3 to the downside at the very least. So we've got CrowdStrike has taken a huge move down. I think that's pretty much wrung out. I don't know if I would get on board of CrowdStrike. We also have Cheniere Energy, and that's still got a huge amount of upside to it. And then we have Twitter to the downside, which I believe also has additional downside to it. So although we were already up on all three positions, I think there's still a lot of room on Cheniere to the upside, a lot of move on Twitter to the downside. CrowdStrike, I think, has pretty much made about 80% of its move to the downside, and I would not chase it any lower. Have a wonderful evening, and I look forward to talking with you tomorrow. Bye-bye.